My people, una good morning. Since 2 days ago, Easy Omorui, he released the Italian newspaper where they released, the Italians released about late Sharon. And this newspaper, when most of us come enter inside the content and the details of this released of the Italians, which is very important, not be the one where they talk for street here, or where people they talk for street without evidence. We can't see and say Italian press release for hospital say Mama Sharon really filed through a particular lawyer called Dino in Italy. They fight for manslaughter. Now manslaughter they fight for. And the truth of the matter, according to the Italian press release, we say this doctor, this particular doctor will carry Sharon case, so they don't sue him before for manslaughter. He did that newspaper. And the Italian press still write and say Sharon dead body, Italian people seize them. They don't release them for anybody. Because as long as they don't fight, state prosecutors say their evidence now the dead body, now be their evidence. Where they want to do further investigation, things like autopsy. Where they want to do autopsy on the people, because the state is not interested in Sharon's case. So my own question now can be say, to that level is very understood and clear. Happy? So Mama Sharon tried to say, make the Italian people, make them do investigation. And she knows, say Sharon dead body, they seize them for hospital. Now Sharon dead body be the investigation. Who then they donate money for public? Why they go from me they outside? And the person, because the time when they do service of some days ago, now so they carry coffee. Some people were crying, saying now Sharon they inside that coffee. They were using it, they say they want to carry Sharon dead body go as something like that. So that coffee where our people carry come out, where all of them come they parade on. I beg, who they inside the coffee? Because the newspaper where we see now, where Italians release, according to Italian prosecutors, they are saying that Sharon's dead body has not been released to anybody. The dead body is seized inside the hospital. Then seize the dead body. Una fi clear the person where they inside the coffee, where una say una they carry go Nigeria. Who they inside coffee where una want go to do burial for Nigeria. Now they say dead body where hospital seized, have been another one. Because we don't understand again. Because now, easy say some people don't they call her. May she keep quiet, may she not talk again. Now so she talked yesterday for her this thing, for the video where she do. Una see the something when I put here. This one is the Italian release about Sharon to say the body of Sharon has been seized by the state prosecutor, by the hospital, by the court, to make sure that they do their investigation properly on the cause of death. According to this thing where they put, say na by Sharon, they say na brain hemorrhage, meaning the person they bleed for inside the hollow of the brain, and between the hollow of the brain and the tissue where they brain there, they bleed for inside there. So that bleeding they not stop them. You understand? And the news where easy talk for this social media be say Sharon don't forget this health complication for a long time. Then say make it come hospital. Make it come do brain surgery or head surgery. If my man know, they don't do follow-up, they don't do anything. You understand me? So, according to the look of things, my darling people, person not go just fit talk now, say, see one thing. But this, now when it come out, 9% they talk. This one, when it come out, so where it be this recent one, where it be say, Sharon dead body, the hospital, they seize her. They never release her to anybody. Which one, they can't see where they do service of song. Which dead body they can't they use stay put for inside coffee, because the real Italian news will come out now be this to say the body has been seized for 60 days. They're not gonna never touch and to do investigation. Then if they go even increase and they go let people know. You understand? So which one can be the one where people come they say they want to say go Nigeria? The one who wake coffee no wamurio wa who come they inside coffee where they say go Nigeria? But you see no we wani. I bet you what the coffee the way bo. When just carry coffee come out for abroad, say maybe we carry go house or maybe we do one like this. After we arrange the way airport yoga to reve airport here we coffee la diamudo awe no have arrange like boy soon wever what did they happen for them because Mama Sharon and the other people una not talk and since say Sharon dead body has been seized in the hospital. Now only say they want carry and go as they want carry and go as. If they file, it's very logical to say if people file for hospital for manslaughter against hospital and dead body the hospital, dead body not they release us, they not the hospital not they release the dead body for burial. They not they release them like for burial because hospital is being accused. Doctors have been accused, so they don't have any evidence. The only evidence is the body that is on ground. Now they want to do their investigation. Yes, now they want to do their autopsy. So it's very logical for the hospital to say we are keeping the body because this is our evidence. The body is going to be kept. So that investigations will be done, not only by the doctor, but by many other doctors and professionals. They will do investigation on that body through the state prosecutors so that the state can clear the hospital and the name of the doctor, or if the doctor is going to go on for it, or if the state is going to pay for their mistakes before they pay. But the body is the evidence, is the bone of contention. The body is the topic. The body is everything for the state, the prosecutor, the court, and even if Mama Sharon go seek compensation, the body of Sharon is going to be the bone of contention. So which one where they carry go Nigeria? The coffee where we see for social media for some days ago, they gather and they say, Sharon, they carry Sharon come out. Who they inside that coffee? Because hospital, we don't see hospital release now say Sharon is still with the hospital seized. That is what the state is saying. So the una coffee will not carry come out. Who be the person where they inside? Can you people clear that? I've been because of this one now they beg this guy where they call easy. Not because they shout for social media. Who they inside? Because hospital release say no be Sharon they inside. To say Sharon is with them, sorry. Is being seized in the hospital. So una they carry go Nigeria. Now that one make una say una want carry and go Nigeria. I don't understand. Like, can you people explain it? Because a lot of things they happen for inside this Sharon matter where people go tell learn. It's just like if they say that doctor person fear they buy for them, people fear they buy for that hospital or whatever. It just be like say they just arrange Sharon for that doctor, made that doctor buy him. Like it's not person don't understand. There's something that is not normal for this Sharon whatever. Because Sharon just died and her property and things that people on the talk about.
What did they go on between proud mom and men?
Can you people explain the reason?
This new latest
update.
I know
the reason why be say
person wey don't do vaga before. Nah, this one say I know they do again.